The ancient wisdom of Sun Tzu is more relevant than ever in the 21st century as hybrid warfare reshapes global conflicts. In understanding Sun Tzu and the art of hybrid war, Dr. Ziaul-Haq Shamsi versus ancient military philosophy with modern hybrid warfare, a blend of conventional, cyber, and irregular tactics aimed at breaking the will of nations without direct conflict. Inspired by Sun Tzu's timeless precepts, Dr. Shamsi argues that true power lies in promoting peace within and peace without. By projecting soft power and fostering economic development, states can expand their influence without resorting to destructive force. This book explores how nations can utilize perception management, strategic partnerships, and economic growth to achieve sustained peace and regional influence without the devastation of war. Unlock the secrets of hybrid warfare and learn how ancient wisdom can guide modern strategy. Understanding Sun Tzu and the Art of Hybrid War, an essential read for scholars, policymakers, and strategists. Available now from Pictureline Publishing. Embrace the art of war without fighting.